How to add GitHub link on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add your GitHub link in your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, just open your GitHub on your web browser, and after that just log into your account. And once you're logged in, just click on the profile icon from the top right, and from here just go to your profile. And after that, all you have to do is just copy the URL from the top, and after that just open your LinkedIn profile and just log into your account. And once you're logged in, just click on the profile icon from the top, and here just click on view profile. And now just click on this particular icon right here, and from here just scroll all the way down and click on edit contact info. And now just scroll down again and click on add website, and then just copy the URL in the website URL. And here you can select the type of the website that you want to make it, and then just click on save. And this is how you will be able to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.